now? Okay, ready. We're doing that. Number 3. Okay, basically, we need to find the equation of the line que passing through the 2 points. Entonces, we use that formula, important, slope formula, and that formula, point slope, right? This is the most important formula. Now, I compute the slope. The slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And our specific example, y2 is 5, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, minus x1 is 2. And the top we have 2 over 2. The answer is 1. This is my slope. Now I'm going to find the equation using this formula. Y minus 3, because y1 is 3. So you're using 5, it's okay. It's the same. Of course, when you're using 5 and y, you're using 4 and x. Or 3 and y and 2, it's the same. And the answer is 1. And 1, you know, is invisible. Si it's invisible, nothing, I don't. You put 1 and you 1 number. No, not necessary. And remove the parenthesis. Why not? Entonces x minus x1, que es 2. Okay, entonces now they want you write the answer in slope in set form. Okay. Entonces solve for y alone is equal x minus 2 plus 3. Y alone is equal x plus 1. And this is my final answer. Slope in set form. Any question? No? No? Okay. No. Okay. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4 is. Number 4 is -1, 3 and 3, -5. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Slope Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1. Y2 is -5 minus Y1 is +3. Pero my formula have a minus to stay on negative. X2 is +3 minus X1 is -1, so double negative become positive. In the top we have -8, in the bottom we have +4. Division is 2, but of course -2. This is a slope. Now the equation is y minus y1 is equal mx minus x1. Y minus 3, okay, y1, look, slope is -2, that we compute before, parentheses, x minus x1 is -1, that is +1. This negative and this negative together is plus. You apply distributive property. This is -2x plus -2. And then 1 again is low in set form, so you solve for y. It's -2x minus 2 plus 3. y is equal minus 2x plus 1. Sure. Any question? Do you feel okay in this part or no? We continue doing number 5 and number 6 or no? You are bored, eh? This and this, no? Oh, yes. Come on, opinion. Opinion. We did this and this.
I think we can move on to the next topic.
Okay. No, perfect. Okay, good. Next topic is 7 and 8, que es a little bit different. Next topic. Uy, no, good. Okay. And the number 7. And number 7. We have in my hand the point. And I have in my hand equation of the given line is 3x minus 5. And they want, can you find the equation for the new line, not the given, this is the given, this is the old. I need the new line. And they want again, can you write your answer in slow in the cell form? So you solve for y. Okay, this is x1, this is y1, and I discover that the slope of the given line is 3. Calculate M1. And the slope of the new one is the same because they are parallel. This is the key word, parallel. Okay, now, use the formula to compute the equation of the line. One more time. I plug in the point, que y minus 1 is y. Slope is 3. In this case, the coincidence is the same. Sorry, I make a mistake here. This is not 1, this is 2. But it's the same. Parenthesis x minus plus 2, no? Double minus. Okay, distribute the property is 3x plus 6. Finally, y is equal 3x plus 6 plus 1. Y is equal 3x plus 7. Is equation of the line que is parallel to the given line and passing through the specific point que is given. Given point, given line, given point, given line, and the condition is parallel. And it's determined that the slope is the same. This was number 7. Number 8 is different because it's perpendicular. So the keyword in this case is perpendicular, but it's the same approximately. You know, the only difference is determine the relationship between the slope, and the rest is okay. Okay. I go back. Okay. Eight now. Okay, it's giving the point again. By the way, it's the same point. Negative 2,1. X1, Y1. And the line, okay, by the way, is the same. Y equal 3x minus 5. You determine the slope of this line, okay, is 3. But now the keyword is perpendicular. Perpendicular means que slope number 2, que the slope of the new line is reciprocal of that, get 1/3, and opposite sign. Please don't forget to change is flip it. 3 is a whole number, entonces I suppose in my mind is 3/1. When you flip it, it's 1/3. This is positive default because no any sign. So I suppose default get positive, therefore you change the sign, opposite sign get negative. Okay? So it's negative 1/3. It's the slope of the new line that we need to find the equation. So with the slope in my hand and the point, it's easy to find the equation. Slope 2, of course, always using the new one, x minus x1. Y minus 1 is equal negative 1/3. Parenthesis x minus x1 que es negative 2, double negative become positive. You can apply distributive property, but I recommend in order to eliminate the fraction, you multiply the entire equation by 3. So you multiply 1 by 1 by 3, because 3 is the only number that we have in the denominator, and when you multiply by 3, magically disappear the fraction. Entonces 3 times y is 3y. Negative 1 and 3 together is negative 3. And this is cancel out. That was the intention. So we have negative. Be careful with the sign. Negative 1, no? Negative 1 or negative alone. Parenthesis x plus 2. This is the moment in which you apply distributive property. It's minus x minus 2. And remember the answer is low in step 4. So I need to solve for y. The 3y is equal minus x minus 2 plus 3. I move this 3 to the right hand side. 3y is equal minus x plus 1. Finally divided by 3 because my goal is isolate y. And the final answer is y equal negative 1/3 x. I put it like 1 here, no? Plus 1/3. Done. Final answer. End the story. We are the best in Miami-Dade College. We have no problem. Any question, guys? Any question? Everything okay? A ver, I want to feedback. Super. Entonces, let's move in now to the complementary review I bring now. But I want more participation. I want more participation because I am bored to do by myself. Now you try to help me in the whiteboard. Okay, let me erase everything. Erase everything. Clear. Clear canvas. Now, so I try to find the new package. Okay, send. Okay, I want to call complementary review 1. It's a complementary more example, no? So let's do it page by page. For example, that page. Okay, so now, look at that. And the example 1 and example 2, they want, can you determine, find the x and y intercept in the graph? Well, it's easy because I know very well that the x intercept and y intercept both is the point when the line crosses the axis x and y respectively. It's obvious at that point. That point is the point 5,0. This is the x-intercept, no? This is the x-intercept. And this point is a y-intercept, is the point 0,1, no? This is the y-intercept. If you want to select the option, can you consider it correct? A, no. B, no. SD, no? Excellent. SD. Come on. Try to help me in number 2, please. All right. What do you think? What is the answer? A, B, C, D.
I'll vote for C.
Let's see. She said que sí. Let me check it out. Okay, that point is the x in a set, que es 4,0. And this point is 0, yes, you are right. Let's see. Any question? It's okay, eh?
No questions.
No question. Very well. Let me try the second page. The second page, complementary. Second page. Insert. Okay. Come on, guy, help me. You try to do. You select the option that is correct. Remember, in the test on paper, what is that? FB. FB. Okay, Edwards. Hernandez, say FB. Let me check it, Edward. This point is the point 0,5. Yeah, you are right. And this point is the point -2,0. Good, very good. Okay, now number 4. SD. Kendrick Crespo say SD. Let me see it's right or wrong. That point is the point -5,0. And that point is the point 0,-4. Yes, you're right. Boom. And what about number 5?
A.
A. Let me see if it's
Oh,
right or
no.
wrong.
C.
Oh, no? E.
C as in cat.
C. C at the cat. Like that? Like that, yeah. Because that point, look, that point is the point 5,0. It's our x in a set. But we have no y in a set because this line is parallel to the y-axis and never meet, never cross, never touch. Okay, super. No problem. Okay. Well, we are doing well. Erase the board. And now, page number 3 of the complementary review. Boom. Boom. Okay, this is look like more complicated. This will look like more complicated. But it's okay. Okay, what about number 6? Who help me? Let me see. FB. You are right. FB. FB because the only intersect we have is this, que is the point 0,3. And this line is parallel to the x-axis, therefore we have no x in it. Good. Okay, now I propose you this idea that they want to find the intercept again, but no graph is given now. No. This equation is given. Okay, number 7, we have 5x plus 2y equal 10, no? And they want to find the intercept. I remember the mnemonic device to do this is using the table. And specifically, the intercept is when es 0 en x and 0 en y. Entonces you plug in 0. When you plug in 0, it's obvio que 0 is nothing and disappear totally the term que contain x. Entonces my equation in the first row is reduced like that to y equal 10. You solve this elementary equation divided by 2, y5. And the 5 here, and the point is the point 0,5. And this represents the y in a set. Likewise, when the y is 0, disappear that part. Mentally, I erase in my mind, I copy only 5x equal 10, divided by 5, both sides, x is 2. You put 2 here, and the point is 2, 0. Y I suppose que corresponde with the option 0,5 es D, ¿no? Es D. Es D. Es D. Okay, okay. This is the idea for this example. Come on, let's do it number 8. Help me. Help me. Help me. You select the answer y I check in your word. Carajo. Okay, we are doing 8. 8 now. The equation is x minus y equal negative 14. Come on. Es sí. Brian said que sí. Let's checking, Brian. Si x es 0, entonces y es positive 14. Si y es 0, entonces x es negative 14. Negative 14, 0. Now let me see. Because you, Alex Manuel say because you divide by negative 1. Entonces 0,14. Let me see. No, entonces no, sí. Right? No, sí, es 8. Wait. Let's do it again, quickly. Okay, suppose que x is 0. Entonces my equation is 0 minus y equal negative 14. Es obvio que negative y is equal to negative 14. When you divide by negative 1, because you have to, the reason is clear, I solve for y, no negative y. Entonces y is equal to positive 14. And the point is 0,14 positive. Like that, boom. Now when the y is 0, entonces x minus 0 is equal to negative 14. Bueno, 0 is nothing. I eliminate mentally. X is equal to negative 14. And the point is the point negative 14,0. And negative 14,0. Negative 14,0. And 0, positive 14. SD, no? SD, right? SD. SD, no? Okay, this is wrong. No, this is okay. Okay. Let's move on to number 9.
It's B.
Es D. Okay. Es D. She said que es D. Es D. Okay. Yasmin, ¿no? Yasmin said que es D. This one. Okay, let me check it, Yasmin. My equation is 2/3 x plus y equal 6. Okay. Remember the organization. The organization is you put a table like that. No, not good. Let me try again. The table like that. X, Y, X, Y. Remember the organization is extremely important in mathematics. You must be systematic. No, you copy one number in the right up corner and another number in the left down corner. No, it's crazy. The 0 and x disappear that part. It's obvious y is 6. So in my mind, when you plug it in mentally, this 0 here, that part is gone. Look. Yes or no? Entonces state 6. 6. It says 0, 6. 0,6. This is my first point. And when you put 0 and y, this is a little bit more complicated. It's 2/3 x equals 6 because the y disappear. Okay, now what should I do? Well, you multiply by reciprocal. There are many ways to do that. However, cross multiplication, maybe, SA, SA, wow, SA, okay. Entonces es, you multiply by, okay, my recommendation in this case, you want to solve for x, you multiply by its reciprocal, look at that, 3/2. And 3/2, both sides. It's obvious that when you multiply this and this together, the answer is 1, and 1 is invisible. Entonces es x equal, this is 18 divided by 2 is 9. Or 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 3 is 9. Es 9. The point is the point 9,0. Okay, entonces 9,0 es 9,0 and 1 and 0,6. 9,0 SA. You are right. You are right. SA. Hey, what's going on? Okay, this is right. This is wrong. Wow. Okay. Mister, can you multiply both denominator 2? Yeah, you can. Okay, Brian, look at that. Suppose in this moment you have 2/3 x equals 6, no? You propose me, for example, multiplication by 3 here and by 3 here. This is the idea is cancel out that 3 to 2x equal, this is times, sorry, 18. And finally divided by 2. He will get the same answer. This is one possibility. Another possibility is look. Is 2/3 2x over 3 equals 6. And you apply cross multiplication. Why not? You multiply this and this. 2x times 1 is 2x. And 3 times 6, 18. And you get the same situation. Finally, divided by 2, divided by 2. Either way, guys, the way you consider better for you. I like that way because it's fantastic. So when you have fraction, look, what is the idea? Don't frustrate with the fraction. Because suppose, so you have this elementary equation, 2x equals 4. You know very well that in order to isolate the x, you divide by 2. Okay. Why not? To understand, so you have 1/2 x equals 4. Well, the thing is reciprocal. You divide by 2 because in my mind, this is working like a 1/2. Because 1/2, we come from 1/2 is a reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 1/2? 2 over 1. 2 over 1. This part and this part together is 1. Disappear. Entonces x alone is equal 8 over 1, que es yo sé. Entonces it doesn't matter, you multiply always by the reciprocal. It doesn't matter que it's a whole number or is the fraction. Okay, let me erase everything and we load again the page. Number 10 now, we are doing number 10. Number 10. We erase everything. Okay, now upload the page, complementary review. Okay, what page? The third page. Okay, now let's do it together. Number 10. Number 10, let me copy the equation, is 10 is negative x is weird plus 4 over 7y equal 12, equal negative 12. Okay, entonces I highly recommend the organization using the table, no? And you declare 0 in x and 0 in y. Come on, let's do it. What do you consider better? What do you consider the correct answer? And number 10. A, B, C, or D? Okay. This is my equation. However, when you plug in 0 here, you can write your equation like that. 4 over 7 y equal minus 12, correct? If you want to isolate the y, remember my idea was multiplication by reciprocal. The reciprocal is 7 over 4.
The answer is C.
Es C. She said que es C. I suppose that you are right. Now, this is y alone, magically, because it's 1. And this is, this is 12 divided by 43. Doesn't matter the order of the operation here. 12 divided by 43, 3 times 7 is negative 21. Okay, entonces y is negative 21, and the point is 0, negative 21. Okay, at least this component is okay. The other is easier, because when the y is 0, my equation is reduced like that. X minus x equal minus 12, so you divide by negative 1 both sides. X equal 12. Super, 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 very well. 12,0 is the correct answer. Let's do one more, because I'm bored to do the same thing, right? 11 is interesting because it's weird. 11 is equation like that. Look, y equal 4x. So this is equation in which I know that normally my equation may be expressing a standard or on slope form look like that, mx plus b. But in this case, b is 0 because y equals 4, so slope is 4x and b is 0. And when this situation happens, when the b is 0, that means that my line passing through the origin, 0, 0. So now we have only one intercept. There's a coincidence, x-intercept and y-intercept at the same point. It's then 0, 0. Option B. Okay, without do anything, because I realize the b is 0. And when the b is 0, my line passing through the origin. Okay. And 12 is super easy. Because let me see, it's y equal 1/2 x minus 5. Yeah, I know very well that b is negative 5. And b always is the number that represents the y-intercept. So at least y-intercept I have in my hand directly is 0, negative 5. Well, x-intercept no. I need to find. How? Well, exactly the same. We are doing y0. So you are doing, if you consider that y is 0.
Answer is B.
What do you say? Repeat again.
The answer is B as in boy.
B is a boy. Okay. She said the answer is B as a boy. Let me check it out. At least the y-intercept is okay. You are right. Y-intercept is okay. Let's do it now by curiosity, no? X-intercept. I declarate y0, so my equation is reducing like a 0 is equal 1/2 x minus 5. So I move, for example, 5 to the left, like a positive. And now, in order to isolate the x, you multiply by its reciprocal is 2 over 1. 2 over 1. It's obvio que 10. 10 over 1, you know, it's just 10. So the point is the 10,0. This is my x intercept. Super, super good. So say, I suppose that you are strong in that part, okay? Let me continue. Okay. Let me see another page. Another page. So we are working on the page 3 now, page 4. Let me see what bring the new page. Okay. The problem 15 is similar. Okay, let's do it. Why not? The problem 15 is similar. The equation is 4x minus 7y equal 5. And we are doing 15, 1, 5. And again, the same situation. We compute the x, y, x intercept, y intercept. 0 here and 0 here. Okay, doing 0 and x. My equation is reduced like that. If you want to solve for y, divided by -7. Both sides. So y alone is, positive divided by negative. So you put a negative. More elegant is put the negative in the front. You can put in the bottom and the top, doesn't matter. However, more elegant is cosmetic part, and you put in the front. So the answer is -5/7, and our famous point is the point 0, -5/7. 0, -1. Okay. Likewise, when you put 0 and y, my equation is reduced like that. 4x equals 5 divided by 4. X is equal to 5/4. It's a fraction. Both answer is fraction, 5/4. And the point is 5/4, 0. Like the option D, no?
D as in dog.
What option you consider is the correct?
D as in dog.
D as a dog. Okay, super. Okay. Let me try to make a zoom this page. I don't see very well. I don't know how. Oh, okay. Okay, in this case, write the equation in slow and step. So the graph is given again. Okay. The graph is given again. Yeah, I need to find the equation, no? Sometimes it's given graph, sometimes no. Sometimes it's given the equation. But in this case, the graph is given. I need to discover what is the equation for this line. So, well. There are many ways to do that. However, in my opinion, the best way is using that formula. Because I take advantage that B is the y-intercept always, anytime, que es -5. So at that point is a point 0, -5. Because this is the point when the line crosses the y-axis. So at least I know that my equation look like that. Slope -5. Now this is wrong. Maybe this or this, A or B. So I need to determine the slope, but using my imagination and common sense, I know that when the slope is, when the line is like that, it's going down, the slope is negative, no? The slope negative. When the graph of the line is going down. Si the graph of the line is going up, entonces slope es positive. Entonces es obvio que the correct answer without do anything is A, right? right? So I using not too much algebra, not too much, using common sense. I determine the y and z, boom. I determine what is the behavior, si it's going down or it's going up. Entonces I select the equation. Everyone follow me? Try to do by yourself 17. 17. What do you consider is the answer in 17? No only Jasmine. Jasmine always try to another participation, guys. Come on, Sherman, Angelina, Alejandro, Kevin, Christopher Espinosa,
B.
Kendrick, Crespo. What do you say, Kendrick?
B.
B. Now let me see. Can you zoom the paper? I try. Let me try. I don't know if I can. Now let me see. Zoom. I don't know how.
My old eyes can't see it. Oh, much better.
Better? Do you see entonces que the answer is B? Es B?
Yeah, the answer is, now I can see it. Now I'm figuring it out.
Repeat again. The answer is, what do you say?
I think it's C.
Es C. She said que sí. Okay, let me try. Well. The y and z is 3.
Oh, no, it's not. It's not, no.
What is that?
I'm not sure what it is, but it's not C.
B.
Es B. No, Kendrick say que es B. Okay. Es B. Okay, in this case, the coincidence que es 3, no? The B value, remember the formula y equal mx plus b, because the slope is negative. Oh, yeah, you're right. The only excellent conclusion. Wrong and right. Okay, don't necessarily to copy anything. Common sense. Y and z is 3. A and D, no, because I see que B is 5. So you totally discard this possibility. No, because it's 5. The only possibility is 3, because this point is 3. It's a y and a z. And the only que have a slow negative is B. Boom. And it's no. Okay? Are you clear or no? Or totally confusing?
It's clear, thank you.
Come on. Keep going. Moving on to the next page. Clear, Brian say. Okay. What page we are doing? We are doing that page. Let me see. Wow. We did that. Now this page. Okay. Insert. Wow, this is similar. Come on. Participation. Come on. I prefer. Bueno, come on. Kendrick participate too much. Jasmine too much. The other lady que I don't know her name. Pero okay. Entonces, come on, Christopher, participation. Select the first one. Kevin, C. Sherman, say que sí. Sherman, say que sí. Okay, sí. Okay, sí. Let me see. Oh, wait. Sherman said, oh, wait. Okay, you change opinion. Come on, Sherman. Okay, God is wrong. No, okay, you're a student, it's okay. It's no super. Okay, entonces, what do you consider es Angelina Jiménez? Say que es B. Okay, let's check it. Angelina Jiménez dice que es B. Okay, entonces, now I can see que this is let me make a zoom to see more clear. Zoom. Okay, this is -5. The y and z is -5. Ah, no, entonces es wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's impossible to be this. No, no, because the y and z. Remember. Hello. Y is equal mx plus b. Who will be? B always is a y in a z. And y and z is the point when the line crosses the y-axis. And I discover, look in the picture, que es the point 0,5. Entonces it's impossible B because B is 3 or -3, I guess so. The -5 is this guy or this guy. ¿Es C o es A? Es negative. Ajá. Emmanuel say, no, B es -5. Entonces, ok. Entonces, B, ajá. It's completely out the game. B and D is completely out the game. So you make it C, would be C, would be Z. Emmanuel say, would be C. Okay? Would be Z. Because, well, in both cases, the slope is negative. So we need to compute something. So this is a little bit more complicated. To say now we're using wrong and right. I know that the slope is negative, right? Because the line is going down. But look at that. That point is -3. That point is -3,0. Therefore, in my mind, this is rise K5. So actually, rise is -5, which is going down, and wrong is 3. Not -3, sino +3, because you assume always that wrong is positive. The slope is the ratio between this guy and -5/3, exactly like that. Bang! It's the answer. Okay, come on, who dare to do 19 and 20? Come on. Sherman participate, Angelina participate, Alejandro never, Kevin never, Christopher never, Kendrick yes, too much, Juan never, Santana, Brian yes, participation, Juan Gomez never, Ramses never, Edward yes, participate, es sí, o sea, Brian, say que es sí, so 19 es sí, okay, es sí, 19 es sí. Let me check it. Well. Yes, I suppose you are right. Yeah. Absolutely perfect. Because the YNZ is -4. Look at that. And it's obvious that slope is 1. Because it's positive, it's up, going, and this is 4. They are perfect coincidence, right and wrong. 4. This is good. 20 now. 20 is D. 20 is D. Let me see. This is 6. That point is the point 0,6. Slope is negative. Perfect. Super good. We have no problem with this. Wow. Let's change something now. Let's do another thing. Okay. Complementary review. Okay. Let me see what's now. Okay, insert all the page. Okay, we are doing 20. Okay, let's focus in that pages. 21. Yeah, we did that. We focus in this page. 21. Well, 21 is easy, super easy, because I can see it's a vertical line. Yeah, I know the vertical line is x equals something. SA, no? Yes, 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 Duran. Brian Duran. Is this. Because it's a vertical line. Vertical line passing through 4. Positive 4. That's a vertical line. Okay, let's focus it in the 22nd. Write the equation for the line connecting with the given point. Okay. You have, let me try to do at least myself the first, and the rest I want participation. We are doing 22 now. So we have 2 points is given minus 2,0 and is 9,2. So you write the equation of the line connecting. Okay. So it's a little bit more complicated long because you need to find the slope first. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Y2 is 2, y1 is 0. X2 is 9. X1 is minus 2. So it's 2 on the top, 11 in the bottom. This is my slope, 2 over 11, positive. Now, suppose, okay, you found, look, y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 0. Is equal to slope is 2 over 11. X minus x1 is 2. Okay, entonces y alone, because 0 is nothing, is equal. In this case, it's no good multiplication the entire equation by 11, because the answer que they want is expressed in log in itself form. Entonces, it's most convenient, in my opinion, apply directly to the distributive property. It doesn't matter if it's a fraction or no. Entonces, 2 over 11x plus 2 times 2 is 4 over 11. Like the option A. Right? Okay, now participation. Let's do in 23rd problem. Exactly the same. Step number 1, compute the slope. Step number 2, find the equation. Using this famous formula. Come on, everyone working in the 23 in your notebook, please. Essay. Juan Gomez say que say. Okay. Okay, Juan, let's check it out. Juan Gomez say que es A. Okay. The point is given is negative 7,4 and 0, negative 5. Now I compute the slope. It's the formula. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So y2 is negative 5 minus y1 is 4, negative 4. Divided by x2 is 0 minus plus, because double minus become positive, negative this and negative this together is 7. It's negative 9 over 7. It's a slope. Okay, so I take advantage instead of using that formula. It's always possible using this formula. This is the 99% of the time we finish using that formula. However, in this case, I realize that this point is special. How do you know it's special? Because the first component is 0. Therefore, I discover that negative 5 is B. Yeah, I know I have in my hand the slope, so the equation is 9 over 7x, because m is negative 9 over 7 minus 5. Because B is negative 5. Because I repeat again, this is a special point. Why is special? Because it's on the y-axis. That means that this is a y-intercept. Okay? You can use in that form, of course, always, anytime you can use in this form. But you take advantage when the one point is special, this. And this definitely is the option A. Very well. Do you understand this new situation? Not new. It's not new. Everyone follow me? Okay. Okay.
Yes. Right there.
Come on, let's move on to the number 24. Okay, 24 now. I want to copy. 24 is negative 9,5 and 8, negative 7. Remember, step 1, computer slow. Step 2, determine the formula. In this case, no special point, because any special is when the first component is x is 0. It's a y in a set, but in this case, no y in a set is given. No. Come on, I wait for you. What you consider is the correct answer? So far, we're doing okay. Okay, no mistake. It's A. Juan Gomez say que es A. Juan Gomez say que es A. Let's try to do. Angelina say que es A. There are two coincidences. So suppose que es okay. Computer slow using the formula. Guys, I repeat again, organization is extremely important in mathematics. Okay, so y2 is negative 7 minus y1 is 5. x2 is 8 minus plus 9. This is minus 12 over 17. Okay, this is my slope. Okay, no problem, I understand. Now we have no special point, so we are using the traditional formula. Y minus y1, que es 5, es igual a minus 12 over 17, paréntesis, x minus x1, que es 9, pero doble negative become positive. To avoid the manipulation of the fraction, you multiply the entire equation by 17. You have 17 times y is 17y. Minus 5 times 17, of course I put in my calculator, 5 times 17 is 85. And when you multiply 17 times the fraction, it's obvious, okay, 17 is cancelled. That was the intention, no? So we have now minus 12 parentheses x plus 9. Now you apply distributive property. 17y minus 85 is equal minus 12x minus, I put in my calculator again, 12 times 9, 108. Entonces they want the formula, okay. Entonces 17y is equal minus 12x minus 108 plus 85. I put in my calculator again, subtracting 108 and 85. Subtraction. It's 23. So we have so far 17y is equal minus 12x minus, because when you have opposite sign, different sign, you're subtracting, of course. I put the sign of the bigger number, no? It's 108, 23. Finally, divided by 17. Everything. Entonces, my final answer is y alone is equal minus 12 over 17, x minus 23 over 17. Done. Final answer. Que corresponde perfect with the yes. Yes, you are right, mister. Good, very good. Very good. Any question? This is too long, eh? It's confusing. Entonces, I suppose, guys, que you have calculated or no? Well, let me check in just in case. It's important for this test to have calculator. Sherman, you have calculator? Angelina, you have calculator? Sherman say yes. Angelina? Yes. Alejandro, you have calculator? Alejandro. Kevin, you have calculator? Alejandro, are you sleeping? Kevin, yes. Christopher, calculator. Okay. Kendry, you have calculator? Yes. Santana. Ramses. Brian, you have calculator? Juan Gomez. Everyone has calculator. Good. Well, okay, the phone. It's okay. It's okay. The phone is okay.
I have a calculator.
Yeah.
You left me out, but I have one.
Okay. Okay. Run to the Walmart and buy one. Remember my recommendation, Texas Instruments TI-30X. It's cheaper and good. And it's available in how many colors? A lot of color. Black color, pink color, blue color, green color, gray color. Okay? You select the color that you prefer. Okay, let's move on to the 25. 25. Let me try 25. 25 SD. Wow. Kevin, no? Who answered? Kendrick. 25 is SB. 25 FB. Oh yes. Look, this is interesting. Because it's special. So now, suppose you had the point. 1,2. We're doing 25. And the point is 1, -2. Sorry, es B, ¿no? No, it's okay. You say B. Bueno, okay. Entonces, this is special because they are repetition of the X value. Entonces, I suppose when you are repetition of the same value, que es 1, 1.1,2, 1, 2. Another point is 1, -2 is here. It's obvious que es in the same vertical line. This is the vertical line. And vertical line, I know by memory, que es X equals something. And this something is the value for the X que se repeated. Okay, this is one way to analyze using not too much computation, using common sense. However, suppose que you don't see no problema, because when you compute the slope, this is X1, this is Y1, this is X2, Y2. So when you compute the slope using that formula, Y2 is -2 minus Y1 is positive 2. However, what happens, what's going on in the bottom? The bottom we have 1 minus 1. And -4 divided by 0. You know very well, the division by 0 is totally undefined. Entonces, this gives me the clue que we are in a special case, que es when there is vertical line. And vertical line. Entonces, I recap. Vertical line. Okay, I know que vertical line is X equals something. And this something is exactly the value que is repeated, que is X equals 1, 1. That was the reason that when you subtracting 1 minus 1, it gives me 0 in the denominator. Okay, therefore, this is the idea. We are doing well. 26 is very similar. Es C. Juan Gómez say que es C. A ver, Juan. Es C. Yes. Because it's similar. Look. The point is given is 3,5. And -7. Wait. -5, sorry. 3, -5. And -7, -5. And as I can see, -5 is repeated. Now, when you compute the slope, and you're subtracting, this is Y1, and this is Y2. When you subtract it, top part of this formula. Look here. y2 minus y1 is the same value, therefore it's 0. Slope is 0. And when the slope is 0, it's a horizontal line. Horizontal line. And I know by memory that horizontal line is y equals something. And this something is the number gets repeated as negative 5. Wow, super. Okay. 27, 28, and 29. It's weird because it's a fraction, but don't worry, be happy. Let's do it in 27. Okay, let me erase everything. 27, we are doing now. Okay, 27, you insert all the pages. 27. Okay, 27. We focus in 27. Look, make a zoom. Make a zoom. Okay, okay. Es sí, Juan Gómez, pero Juan Gómez is the only guy que answer any question. Es sí, Juan Gómez say que sí. Okay, let me try to check Juan Gómez. Your answer. Okay. Okay, the point is given is 1/5, 4/5. And another point are negative 1/10, 3/10. It's important, guys. When you copy, be careful. You copy exactly the same number. No, you copy the wrong number. You change one sign. For example, you forgot this minus. You are doing another problem, and the answer is completely different. So it's key. Don't rush. Let's do it step by step. When you go very slow, wow, it's fraction. I hate the fraction. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Actually, y2 is 3/10 minus y1 is 4/5. I just plug it in after we computed one by one separately. X2 is negative 1/10 minus x1 is 1/5. Okay, okay, no problem, I understand. Now, remember how we combine two fractions with different denominator. Well, you find the least common denominator. So the least common denominator in between 10 and 5 is obviously 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1 times 3 is 3. Stay the same. And 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 4 is 8. So you divide the LCD divided by the corresponding denominator and multiply by the specific numerator. Okay, let me finish the top part. A minus 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Negative 5/10. And negative 5/10. Okay, sure. You reduce the lowest term is negative 1/2. Okay, I finished the top part. Now let's move on to the bottom part. It's similar. LCD is 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. It's negative 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. It's negative 2. Entonces negative 3/10. Well, in this case is negative 3/10. In this case was easy, not necessarily reduce. Look here is negative divided by negative positive is 5/3. Okay, suppose que, bueno, okay, suppose que I reduce, no problem. I keep going. So it's easy to see this answer from this, not for this. I know que negative divided by negative is positive. So you copy 1/2, que is the fraction at the top, and you flip it, the fraction at the bottom, que es 10/3. Because division is flipped. Entonces now you reduce a little bit, yeah, divided by 2 is 1, divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Alright, now we get the same answer. Okay, entonces I have in my hand the slope. the slope is 5/3. Okay. Now I compute the formula is y minus y1 is equal to slope, parenthesis, x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 4/5. Slope is 5/3. And parenthesis, x minus x1 is 1/5. Okay, again, the fractions. I hate the fraction. And the least common denominator is 15. Okay, it's 5 and 3 together, right? You multiply the entire equation by 15. You have 15y minus something, 15 and 5 is cancel out and stay alive 3, no? 3 times 4 is 12. But when you multiply a fraction, it's easier. 4/5 times 15. You can, for example, multiplication, 15 times 4 gets 60, divided by 5 is 12. But in my opinion, it's easier doing the division first. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now this 15, okay. In this case, look. In this case, 15, not 3, because this 3 was this. But this 15 stay alive. Look. 15. And when you multiply 5/3 times 15, well, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 25 x minus 1/5. And this fraction, unfortunately, stay alive. But don't worry, because now you apply distributive property. And when you apply distributive property, you have 25x minus 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, almost, we finish. Well, this is 15y is equal 25x minus 5 plus 12. I move 12 to the other side. I change the sign. 15y is equal to 25x plus 7. Finally, divided by 15, everything, 15. Y alone is equal, okay, in this case, you reduce a little bit the lowest term, because it's obvious that the slope is 5/3, no? But no, okay, you divide by 5, 25 in my mind, 25 is 5 times 5. And 15 in my mind is 5 times 3. Entonces, there are no reason to have this 5 and stay only 5/3x plus 7/15. Exactly the answer que Juan proposed. Any question? This is too long, eh? Entonces now, everything I did by hand, but not necessarily do it by hand. So you have calculator. I cannot explain the calculator because different students have different calculator. No? So at least in my calculator allow me manipulate fractions. Okay, so try to find the TIA30 is super fantastic. So you don't know, you ask me by email, Professor, how you manipulate the fraction in my calculator? Well, I don't know. What calculator you have? TIA30? Okay, those I can explain. Okay, let's wait for 20. Any question? No? Come on, everything is clear or confusing? The fraction manipulation was clear or confusing?
It was clear.
Okay. So let's do it. Number 28. Come on, 28. Juan Gomez again. No, Juan Gomez. No, this is not only your class. Another participant. I ignore Juan Gomez now. Juan Gomez say que sí. All right, let me see. Everyone is agree or disagree with the Juan Gomez? So the point are, okay, let me erase at least that part. Okay. And 28, the point is negative 1/3, comma 4/3. I need to see the sign. Correct, 1/3, 7/3. Okay, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. When you compute the slope, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, y2 is 7/3. y1 is 4/3. x2 is 1/3 minus, and x1 is -1/3, double minus become positive. Oh, this is easier because when the denominator is the same, like that, the only thing that you should do is subtracting the top part. 7 minus 3 minus 4, sorry, is 3. Wow, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1. And this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2/3. And reciprocal 2/3 is 3/2. Boom, it's okay. Now let's do in the other part. The other part is the y minus y1. Okay, y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Y minus 4/3 is equal to 3/2. This is slope, parenthesis, x minus x1 is -1/3, a plus. In this case, you multiply the entire equation by the LCD, and the LCD is 6, because it's 3 and 2, the number that we have in the denominator. When you multiply, you have 6y minus something, let me see, 4/3 times 6, it's obvious que it's 8, it's -8. When you multiply this is, 3/2 times 6, simplification a little bit here, 1, 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times x plus 1/3. Now distribute the property, and 9x plus 3. Because 9 divided by 3, multiplication by 1/3 is equivalent to divided by 3. So you divide, this is 3, this is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 3. Okay. Now finally, so for y, this is 6y is equal 9x plus 3 plus 8. 6y is equal 9x plus 11 divided by 6, divided by 6, divided by 6. When you divide by 6, well, you get y equal. You leave it like that? No. You can simplification, reduce the lowest term, just in case. I computed before the slope, remember, in that part. It's exactly the thing when you reduce the lowest term, you divide by 3, and the top is 3. Divided by 3, and the bottom is 2. So it's no coincidence, it's a fact. Okay, it's the same. Plus 11/6. And it's the final answer. Let me see. Let me check it. Check it. Yes. 11/6. Super. 29 is very straightforward. Because when the 1 point is the origin 0,0, I know that my equation look like that. Y equal mx. Because b disappear. B is 0. B do not exist. Okay, now what about the slope? Using common sense and no algebra. We have a point here, 0,0. And we have another point that is 1, -7. 1, -7, I suppose here. It's a point 1, -7. And you connecting, okay, I saw that my slope is going down, so the slope is negative. So I totally discard this option, no good. And this option, no good. Maybe this or maybe that. And who is wrong and who is right? Right is 7, -7, actually. And wrong is 1. The slope is -7/1. que corresponde with the option C. Boom. So not always we need to take advantage the special case. Okay, we continue. We continue 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Come on, guy, working. Let me erase everything. I want to select only last page. Last page. What is the last page? Well, I suppose. What is the last page? Scroll down. I cannot scroll. Yeah, I can scroll down. This is the last page. Boom. Make it zoom to see much better. Okay, now 30. 30 is also special, I guess so. But I have an idea. 30. 30 is 7,0 and 0,7. Come on, computer slow. And the formula. This guy is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. I wait for you. No, Juan. Juan, no. Juan, no. Yasmin, no. Sherman, no. Angelina. No. I'm so sad. Angelina is okay. Alejandro, come on. Kevin, come on. Christopher, come on. Kendry, no. I don't want to see your face anymore. Juan, no. Juan Santana, no. Pero Juan Gómez. Juan Gómez. Juan Santana, yes. You can participate. Brian, no. Juan Gómez, no. Definitely no. Ramses, you can. Edward, you can. Sydney, come on, Sydney. I never see you work. Emmanuel, yes, you can participate. You participate, but not too much. And Davey, never participate. Come on. The student can never participate. Have high priority. Sorry, Davey. The problem is that guys, excuse me because little by little I memorize your name. Davey, yes, Davey participate. Stay quiet. No. Put your microphone in off, please. Come on, what is the answer in the 30? Remember, Friday, we start new chapter. No review anymore. Es x plus y equals 7. Kevin says x plus y equals 7. Que sí, Kevin? This one. Everyone is agree or disagree? I can see very well. Oh, let me see. Let me make it so. Now, the answer for 30
Thank
is...
you.
Okay. The answer for 30, much better, yes, C. Okay, Kevin said que sí. Everyone is agree or disagree? Let's do it quickly. Yes, okay. Entonces, no, si no necessary to do it, it's okay. Let's move on to the 31st. 31st is negative 6,5 and negative 1,8. See, if we have some discrepancies, I am doing this problem. It's supposed to everyone is working in 31st. And you select what's the answer, A, B, C, or D. Let's be Sherman, Coley, say B. Everyone is agree or disagree? Agree or disagree? Agree. Lancer say agree. Come on, Lancer. David, come on. It's okay.
I said I agree.
Yeah. So I agree or disagree. She says agree. Everyone believe que is the option correct, B, and 31st. Do you want I do for you or no? Do you want I do for you or no?
If you could explain it, that would be great. I actually guessed
Okay,
it.
okay, perfect. Let's do it. 31st. Es B. Okay. Ramsés, confirm que es B. Pero okay. Let's do it. 31st. 31st is negative 6,5. Comma. Negative 1,8. It's important you double checking to confirmation the copyright. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. The computation for the slope is then a minus 5 over negative 1 plus 6. This is 3, this is 5. Okay. This is slope. Now you send up the slope in the second part. Okay. Y minus 5 is equal, slope is 3/5, x minus plus 6, because x1 is negative, and the negative of the formula become positive. However, they want the answer in standard. This is very, very convenient multiplication by 5 in order to eliminate that fraction. So 5y minus 25 is equal to 3 parentheses x plus 6. Now you apply this distributive property and you have 3x plus 18. So now it's different than manipulation. I propose you, for example, you put a variable x and y in alphabetic order in the left hand side. This is minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 18 plus 25, no? And 18 plus 25 is 43. I guess so. Check just in case I check in my calculator, no? 18 plus 25 and 43. I'll leave it like that. No, because it's totally illegal to represent using a negative. So you multiply the entire equation by negative 1. This allows me to change the sign, hold the sign. Negative 43. I suppose that this is the answer. Let me check it. Check it. Yes.
Professor, for this type of example, is there a common sense way to figure it out?
Yes, of course. No, but remember, in the test on paper, is no multiple choice. No. You need to show me the word in detail. Okay?
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. And Alex, no, Alex, you compute the answer, you type in the answer.
No, but I'm asking you, is there any rule with these type of examples for positives, negatives, like any logic to it?
Yeah, the reason is when you see que you want the answer in standard, the requirement, standard is picky, look at that. Standard is ax plus by equals c. And you can see clear. In the left hand side, You have a variable, x and y. And the right-hand side, you have only number. And standard, don't allow fraction in A, B, C. Never.
Got it. I see. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, wait, I don't finish. And one more requirement. A must be positive, never negative. That is the reason in the last step, I multiply by -1. Okay?
So, for example, if it would be multiple choice and there would be 3 that start with a negative number, then the one starting with a positive number would be the right one.
Positive.
Thank you.
Okay. Who helped me with the 30-second? Same procedure. Compute the slope. And using the formula. 2 formulas. Actually, we have more, but the most important formula is a slope formula and point slope formula. And we need practice. Okay, sí. Juan Santana, say que sí. Juan Santana. Everyone is agree or disagree? Agree. Kendry Crespo, say agree. Confirmation. Okay. Okay, one more guy. Sí, okay. Confirmation que sí. Alex Manuel say que sí. Juan Gomez say que sí. Let's do the 33 and that's it for today.
Okay, I say number 33 is C.
Again. Everyone is agree or disagree? It's D, wow. Let me try. Let me try to see what's the correct answer. Let me try. Remember, this is dramatic because one stupid mistake, if we make one sign, you change, screw up everything. This is the mathematics. Mathematics is like that. We are doing well everything. We have 40 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the last step, you make a stupid mistake because sometimes it's stupid. You forgot something or you omit. Okay, and -7,
and I was able to solve the I was able to solve the question because when I converted it to standard form, but the x came out to be negative, so I multiplied by -1.
Oh, I understand. Now, entonces, what is your conclusion? ¿Es C o es D?
It's C.
It's C. Okay, let's check it. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We compute the slope. Okay, Y2 is -9. Y1 is 21. X2 is 3. And this is 7. Entonces 21 and 9 is 30, no? Yeah, -30 over 21. We can reduce, of course we can. We can reduce the lower term because it's divisible by 3, no? Entonces is -10 over 7, no?
Okay. No, it's -30 over 1.
Over 10.
I mean, -30 over 10.
Over 10, you are right. By multiplication, I am crazy. This is 10. It's a -3.
That equals to -3.
Very well. Y minus Y1 is equal slope X minus X1. Y minus 21 y1 es minus 3, parenthesis, x minus plus 7. Okay, now distribute. It's minus 3, x minus 21. Uy, 21 is cancelled out. 21 is cancelled out. Well, just in case I don't know. Entonces I put y equal minus 3x minus 21 plus 21. Because I moved that 21 to the right hand side. And this is cancelled out. It's gone. Now the answer in slowness therefore is this. But I want a standard. I want the standard to compare. So in the standard to compare, you move the variable to the left. To the left is, this is negative. I put in the first place positive. Okay, this is right. This is wrong. Okay, guys, too much. I suppose you are strong. Entonces, what is the idea? Listen to me now. Friday, of course, we have class. Friday, I sent with the email of the Sky link. I sent the test of paper, number 1. You have the entire weekend for doing that. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday, because you send me. So the due date is Monday, September 6th at midnight. So when I get up Tuesday, because I check in my email, I grade your test. Okay, don't forget to submit the test number 1 in Alex.